Psalm 101 verse 3. I'll set no wicked thing before mine eyes. I hate the work of them that turn aside. It shall not cleave to me. So this is the message of the Lord, that we shouldn't look to lustful things like pornography. We shouldn't look towards the person haughtily. We shouldn't look to, for example, to a lady, to a boy with a lust in our eyes. That is very detestable in the sight of God. We should look to the things that makes our spiritual healthy. We shouldn't turn aside. We shouldn't turn aside from the law of God. God doesn't want us to have this kind of things in our eyes. God doesn't want us to keep on looking to a pornography. God doesn't want us to keep on looking to the things that makes our money spent much. God wants us to be contented. God doesn't want us to have a covetousness of a money. God doesn't want us to steal the tithes. God wants us to be generous. So I'm talking about the lust of the eyes. God doesn't want us to have a lustful eyes. It can cleave in the sight of God. God wants us to remove all of this. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Bye.